In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Call Now button in Wix 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean tappable button that opens the phone dialer on mobile devices so visitors can reach you instantly. All you need is access to your Wix site and your phone number with the correct country code. First, head into the Wix editor. Sign into your Wix account, open the website you want to work on, and select Edit Site. This opens the visual editor, where you can place and customize elements. Navigate to the exact page where you want the Call Now button to live. Most people place it on the home page, contact page, or any high traffic landing page. Think about visibility and intent. Put the button where users are most likely to decide they want to speak with you. Now let's add the button. In the left-hand panel, click Add Elements, the plus icon, and choose Button. You'll see a selection of preset styles. Pick one that fits your brand and drag it onto the canvas. Place it in a prominent spot, near the top of the page or in a sticky area works well. Update the button text to something clear and action-oriented like Call Now. Then style it so it stands out. Choose a high contrast color, make the text legible, and size the button generously so it's easy to tap on mobile. Avoid placing it over busy images or in crowded sections. Give it a little breathing room so it looks intentional and inviting. With the button in place, let's make it dial your number. Click the button to select it, choose link from the floating controls, and select phone number as the link type. Enter your complete phone number, including the country code, starting with a plus sign. For example, you would include +63 for the Philippines. Using the full international format helps ensure the link works correctly for all visitors, even those outside your country. When the number looks right, click Done to confirm. Behind the scenes, Wix creates a phone link that mobile browsers recognize instantly. From here on out, when someone taps that button on their phone, their dialer opens with your number ready to call. On desktop, behavior can vary depending on the device and installed apps, but the primary goal is a smooth mobile experience. And that's it. You open the Wix editor, added a button, and linked it to your phone number with the proper country code. Keep the button clearly labeled, easy to spot, and placed where action happens. You've just made it faster and simpler for visitors to connect with you the moment they're ready.